Morning, we're here with another video. We are trying to make these posts for the people who cannot afford functional medicine prices, and these are the simplest easy tips to improve your gut and improve your digestion, and in doing so work on inflammation. Now, the first thing you've seen in previous videos is to work on the food allergy aspect of digestion, and that's the dietary protein trigger of digestion. And you start by realizing your gut's so screwed up because stress response is inhibitory on digestion, okay? The fight or flight response sends all the nerve flow and all the blood flow to the muscles of the body, to the lungs, to the heart. And in doing so, you lose that nerve flow and blood flow going to digestion. So all your digestive reflexes are weakened with chronic stress response, and it can be emotional, physical, chemical stressors, all that stuff, the life traumas people experience, the loss of loved ones, all that stuff screws up your gut. And you have to strengthen what that did to weaken digestion. Okay, so we start with the simplest form, the standard process. This betafood is beetroot concentrate. Beets, okay, concentrated beets. It's a big vasodilator. It will help open your body up and bring blood flow back to the gut, especially when you do it with the digestive bitters complex. Okay, now this is what everyone starts. It doesn't matter the problem of any autoimmune condition. It doesn't matter what aspect of inflammatory pain you feel, arthritis, muscle, nerve inflammation. We start by strengthening the digestive reflexes, because sometimes your gut's so weak you cannot even clean eat it. Okay, people go eat super healthy, super whole food. I've seen people, probably see someone today, they've done Whole30 as organic as possible, and the food still contributes to digestive issues. Okay, that's because their digestion's so weak from probably some life trauma they had in their life. So betafood is beetroot concentrate, and it sends blood flow to areas of the body. Beets are in a lot of pre-workouts, so when you do beets with caffeine, you get a better pump going to your muscles. But the secret is to make sure you do beets with your bitters, okay? And that's in the supplement like Digestive Forte right here. Digestive bitters are neurologically going to strengthen digestive reflexes. Okay, most of the food we eat does not contain bitter components in it. And so when you talk about fixing what stress does to the gut, and stress weakens digestion, and you gotta strengthen up digestion with like a home workout of stimulating your digestive reflexes. You do that with digestive bitters complex. Now, the simplest form of it, for the worst of the worst of the worst, is like lemon water. Lemon water is digestive bitter. So when people say, well, I started drinking lemon water in the morning and I started pooping every day, or my gut, you know what, my joint pain felt better, you know, the acid's breaking up the joint, whatever. No, the lemon water is bitter, and in doing so, you're enhancing all these reflexes of the gut. So your stomach acid starts working better, your gallbladder starts working better, your pancreas starts working better, all your sphincter muscles of your gut start communicating better and pushing it through. Lemon water is the simplest form of strengthening digestion. And something like this Digestive Forte, okay, this is a potent exercise for strengthening digestion. Okay, so if you're on like the level of inflammation of bad mast cell activation and you're a super flamer, I would not say start with strengthening with Digestive Forte. I would say do exactly this. One betafood under the tongue. Let it dissolve under the tongue. Don't even worry about it interacting with your gut at any way. If you're the worst of the worst flamer, this is the tip for you, so you don't have to pay $5,000 up front just to talk to someone like me. Okay, one betafood under the tongue with a splash of lemon water. Okay, just gargle it in your mouth. Let it hit all the tongue. If you're super reactive to lemons and orange and citruses, like a lot of people are, a lot of interstitial cystitis people may be, of course, just spit it out if you have to. But eventually you'll be able to swallow it, and you'll tolerate lemon water. You should be able to. Don't complicate it. This is beets, blood flow. Bitters is nerve flow to the gut. So you start with one betafood under the tongue, work the two betafood just dissolved under the tongue with lemon water 2 times a day for a week. Then, as you start letting that work, start strengthening your digestive neurology, you can add something potent like a digestive forte, half tablet in at the same time as your digestive beats, the beta food right there. Half tablet digestive forte working up to a full tablet of one digestive forte with 2 tablets of beta food 2 times a day for 2 months is going to make your digestive prowess stronger. You got it? Weak digestion is the problem. Weak neurology is the problem with digestion. How did it get there? Stress response, right? Little girls have to poop no one wants to poop at school. So you have the poop reflex hit you, but you say, I don't want to poop at school, and you shut down that reflex, and next thing you know, you're deconditioning your gut reflexes, okay? The life traumas, loss of loved one, the abuse people go through, all that stuff's true. And you can recover, you can heal through that, and you can counsel through that, and you can pray through that, you can fast through that, and all that stuff's good, but you still have to strengthen what the life traumas have done to weaken your digestive neurology. And no vitamin mineral does that. No vitamin mineral strengthens the cephalic neurology of how weak stress has made your digestion. Only bitters are pro-stimulatory towards digestion, fixing the nerve flow to the body. Okay, so there's people who take this digestive forte and they feel calmer. Yeah, because they're in so much stress response, because bitters stimulate digestive response, which is the opposite of stress response. Okay, one digestive forte. So here's how you start. If you're just a little inflamed, or you're younger and you're not chronic fibro type person, and again, the only other tricky part is if you have reflux drugs, it's harder to transition to this, and I'll make a different video for that. But everyone starts, no sugar, no grain, no fried food, one digestive forte with 2 beta food 2 times a day for 1 month. Try it and see if you feel better in your body. You will see whatever your digestive issue is, it will improve. And whatever your inflammatory issue is, it will see improvement. It may not be 100%. You still might have Lyme's, you still might need to detox your liver, you still need to work on things. But that's the first step to try if you're struggling with inflammation issues, is start with your gut. Start with improving digestion. Cut out sugar, grains, fried food. There's a lot of processed food in that, okay? Add in something to increase your digestive prowess. If you're super flamer, dissolve it under the tongue with just lemon water for the first week. Slowly increase your dose to 2 beta food. Slowly, after 2 weeks, add a half tablet of digestive forte right here. I don't know. Stimulate your digestion. Give it a try. You're not going to screw anything up, right? If you're eating too much Chick-fil-A, you're going to have inflammation issues. Chick-fil-A is the most inflammatory food you can eat, okay? So this video, again, this is where I start everyone. Sometimes people add a little liver detox to this. I'll go over that in another video. Strengthen your digestive neurology. Digestive bitters and beetroot concentrate brings nerve flow and blood flow back to the gut for healthier digestion. I'll make another video shortly. See ya.